Hi there, welcome to the online showroom here at Miracle Truck and Car Company. Today we're happy to present this 2018 Ford EcoSport 4-wheel drive titanium with only 17,100 kilometers. And boy, is it packed with options. The subcompact SUV 4-wheel drive market is super hot right now. And boy, has Ford hit the nail on the head with this. My wife likes to call this the Goldilocks vehicle. It's not too big, it's not too small, lots of room, great fuel economy, and really good ground clearance. You get factory aluminum wheels. You also get keyless remote, keyless entry and go. This little 2018 Ford EcoSport titanium 4-wheel drive has a power sunroof and blind spot detection. That's nice. Now that's convenient. The liftgate swings to the left and you've got a ton of storage for such a small vehicle. That's a 70/30 rear split leather seat, folds back. You know what? Lots of room for your four-legged fuzzy friends or those large runs to Costco. Did Ford ever do a nice job on the interior of this little car? Wow. Nice, clear, easy to read gauges. And this touchscreen is just so responsive. Navigation, Bluetooth, hands-free. Also, a backup camera with rear park sensors when you need it. That's really convenient. When I said loaded, I mean this car is loaded. Both the passenger and the driver's side are heated leather seats, and let's not forget a heated leather steering wheel and automatic climate control. There's a large array of mobile apps available for the Ford EcoSport, plus Sirius Travel Link. That's pretty cool because here at Miracle Truck and Car Company, you get Sirius Satellite free of charge for 90 days. Nice little features like Bang & Olufsen speakers that makes it a clear and an awesome sound system. Here at Miracle Truck and Car Company, we offer low-rate financing with extended terms. Plus, we also assist people with BRUISED credit. That means we'll have you driving a newer vehicle, like this Ford EcoSport, at a lower rate the whole time, rebuilding your credit. You know what? No worry, because if it's raining like it is today, we'll take whatever vehicle you're looking at, like this 2018 Ford EcoSport titanium 4-wheel drive. We'll back it inside our indoor heated showroom. You can grab a coffee, relax, and look at it underneath our showroom lights. We're located on the corner of Highway 4 and Alberni Highway in the beautiful Qualicum Beach, Coombs area. If you've never been to the Coombs Country Junction, all you got to do is look for the Miracle Truck and Car Company sign. This is our outdoor display. All you got to do is go straight down. On the right hand side, you'll see the garage door. Go in our 2,000 square foot indoor showroom. We believe you'll enjoy the process here. You get to deal with one or both of the owners. We'll appraise your trade. We'll give you a difference. We'll get you approved in a payment. No pressure, no hassle. You'll find that only here at Miracle Truck and Car Company. Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch this video.